Have you ever felt stuck at your current level on your instrument? Do you practice and practice, but still haven't achieved your guitar goals? Have you wondered what the most effective way to practice your instrument is? Today we're diving into the book The Art of Practice by Laido Dittmar, Cirque du Soleil performer, author, and coach. In the book, he talks about how he's been obsessed with finding efficient practice methods for over 20 years, learning from top performers or naturals who excel without traditional learning. He refers to Bruce Lee with the phrase, "Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do." This mindset is crucial. He surveyed over 500 athletes and artists about their practice challenges. He found that even on bad days,
skilled practitioners make some progress.
It's about practicing smart, not just hard. Doubling your efforts doesn't always work. Instead, you need to focus on effective practice strategies. Number 1. Push your limits. Don't just repeat what you know. Challenge yourself with harder tasks. Just like the last rep in a workout builds muscle, the toughest part of practice makes you better. If you are playing guitar, for example, try playing a scale or lick faster than you can handle. You'll mess up at first, but that's how you improve. Remember, if you just keep practicing the things you can already play, or at a comfortable tempo, there will be no improvement. Number 2. Use high energy time wisely. Start your practice sessions with the hardest tasks, when your focus and energy are highest. Save the routine stuff for later. It's about doing the most important things first. Of course, take a few minutes to warm up so you don't hurt yourself, but then go straight to the hardest exercises. Number 3. The 90% consistency rule. Learning a new skill often progresses quickly up to 90%, but mastering the last 10% can take as much time as the first 90%. Switch to a similar but slightly harder move once you hit 90% to keep progressing. Number 4. The 2 steps forward, 1 step back method. This complements the previous strategy. Instead of spending excessive time mastering the last 10% of a skill, move on to a more challenging task and return to it later. This makes the previous skill easier and more consistent with minimal effort. And there you have it. By following these 4 strategies from Laido Dittmar's book, The Art of Practice, you can revolutionize your guitar practice in 2025. Remember to push your limits. Use your high energy time wisely. Follow the 90% consistency rule and use the 2 step forward, 1 step back method. With these tips, you'll break through those plateaus and reach your guitar goals faster. Thank you if you choose to support the channel on Patreon, where you can find PDFs of the exercises and much more. And if you are looking to keep improving your guitar playing, check out this amazing video on mastering guitar arpeggios. You can go ahead and click on it now. Keep practicing smart, and I'll see you in the next video.